Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's episode, we are riding along with the side job. Today we're diagnosing a leak under a lady's house. Could be anything from a slab leak to a leaking water heater. Right now he's trying to diagnose it and see if there's any water coming out beside the house and to see what's going on. The lady said that it's in the crawl space under the house, so we're about to walk to the back of the house and check it out. Oh, Lord, it is leaking. Oh, my gosh. Oh, wow. Wow, look at that, y'all. It is flooding. Oh, my gosh. I don't know. I've never seen that. Maybe that one in town, you know, that one time.
I've seen a couple in downtown.
That's a lot of water.
I'm going in and I'm gonna hook it.
Crazy. Is it a busted heater? Oh, Lord. Yeah, get in there.
No way, that's a big son of a bitch. That's a big ass fucking water tank, dude. Look at this image to make sure it wasn't two low boys stacked on top of each other. Ain't no way that big son of a bitch fit under here.
Yeah, that's crazy. You said it's a 75 or 80 gallon? Oh, Lord. Spider webs galore. Look at this. They probably got tarantulas in here. Tarantulas. Somewhere. Oh, God. Leaking on your head? That's horrible. Look at all the insulation. Can you fit in there? I don't know how y'all fit under there like that. Oh, Lord. A little farther, little farther. This is funny, y'all. You think you got a leak? It looks like it's spewing on top. Do you see that?
I think she got a leak.
I think she got like a
We might want to tell her she got a leak.
loose fitting or something.
Oh my gosh, look at this crap. Oh, that is just hanging.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's so ugly. This is going to be a heck of a repair.
Yeah. Oh, Lord.
Trying to break it down.
Crawl. Army crawl. Here we go. Worse or...
This is why you came, because you got the heavy parts.
Yeah. Alright.
All of that.
Alright.
Alright, and the culprit is... Oh, now that's simple.
What's on?
Cake. One of them copper supplies.
Copper supply line.
One of them blue,
Y'all, I'm getting in here. Look, it's flooded. See this?
maybe.
Yep. Here we go. Let's check out the job. Okay, y'all.
I got a leak.
This is where it's leaking
Oh
at.
my gosh. I got a leak and I can't see nothing but water. Oh Lord.
Oh my God.
Oh Lord. We're gonna float away.
It looks like you're playing flashlights over there.
I mean, I'm doing one now. I'm just spraying the face by.
You are? Oh, hey, let's see if we can... Look, here we go.
Oh, that valve ain't closing.
There he is, y'all, right there.
That valve right there is not. It's supposed to.
Look at it, spewing water. Spewing water, look at that. Oh my gosh.
Ah, man. If we had this pipe, I would sell our house.
What, is that galvanized?
Yeah, sell
Mm.
that pipe.
Mm-hmm.
You know how hard it is to repair that shit without breaking it?
No, that's your job, not mine.
That sprays right there where it's rusty,
Yeah.
it'll snap off like you wouldn't. And it's
Ooh. I'm learning, though. Learning as you go.
I wouldn't even attempt it if I had one issue with
Yeah. Yeah, gotcha.
I think she's got a leak. We're gonna have to go tell her that.
Alright.
To call a plumber.
Well, you guys, we need to go pick up some parts and head to the store. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow for more content.